At Select Restoration, we work so hard to please our customers by providing amazing quality and incredible prices. One really happy reviewer has decided to make it all worthwhile. Take a look at this fantastic feedback. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, but it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. At Select Restoration, we believe that our future success comes from our success today. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you too. Call Select Restoration and we will deal with your problems so you don't have to. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact Select Restoration at 58679139900. We look forward to talking to you.